See, Asia Fashion Awards is initiated and promoted by RDXGOA and India Fashion City Tour. And our directors of the RDXGOA, Mr. Asutosh, and our Jana Bhai is there. And these Asia Fashion Awards we had conceptualized to support that is fashion fraternity for all that is team members of that is fashion industry. It's not for that designers and models. It's for that is all that is people who are working for that is this fashion industry. And again I am telling you this Asia Fashion Awards meant for that is people who will be encouraged to influence that is generation. This is and here that is all the Asian countries people are participating. As you know, because of COVID, that is many people are not able to come. But yes, maximum people that is they have confirmed to participate over there. Even that we have received that is a lot of nomination from that is California, Canada, and this time also Canada some few designers are working on their and showcasing their collection. And especially Indians are already there. Goans also many people they are participating and they are very competitive to the compete that is all over the world of fashion industry. And as well that we are especially expecting that is more people from Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, South Korea, and even that is we had got that is some nomination from that is China also, but unfortunately they are not able to participate. But online that is we can do that part. As well, we have that is many categories for that is not only models but many categories for this fashion entrepreneur, for that is fashion photographer, for these fashion schools. Many fashion schools they are participating this time to encourage that students and their upcoming generation of the fashion industry. And here we'll be having that show, runway show will be starting from the 12 o'clock, 11:30 to 12 o'clock till that is 5 o'clock. Then 6 o'clock that is actual that is fashion awards night will start that is 6 o'clock till that is 9 o'clock. And many dignitaries they are coming to that is give out that is awards, and many people will be that is available for that is to promote that is basically that is fashion fraternity for India. And this our objective to organize this kind of that is fashion awards because of that is Goa needs to be noticed in properly to be that is fashion destination. Yes, we are MICE is there, many activities happening, but fashion activities coming very less. We need to that is promote this industry. We need that is our government of Goa and that Goa fashion fraternity. We like to that is urge them to come and support this industry so that we can have that is proper that is fashion destination for Goa.
आमची फॅशन इंडस्ट्री आमी कितले वर्सांनी काम करतात. गोवाक एक फेवरेबल क्लायमेट आहा फॅशन इंडस्ट्री खातीर आनी फॅशन कल्चर सूट जाता गोंयांक. आज प्रत्येक फॅशन आसा पळय ती गोंयच्यान इंट्रोड्यूस जाता. ती खंयची जावं रिसोर्ट वेअर जावं मागीर बीच वेअर जावं जावं कॅज्युअल वेअर जावं ते गोंयच्यान इंट्रोड्यूस जाता. आनी तेजो फायदो आनी गोंयांक आख्खे वर्ल्डाचे लोक येतात आनी फॅशन एक हांगच्यान प्रमोट जाल्ले म्हणटकीर ती आख्ख्या वर्ल्डाक वयता. ताका लागून आमकां दिसता गोंयांक फॅशन कल्चर वाडचें, फॅशन इंडस्ट्री वाडची आनी हातूंत आमगे खुबशे वेव्हार जावंक शकता, इकनॉमीक डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक शकता. कित्याक आज फॅशन डिजायनर्स अंडर कितलेशे मॉडेल्स मुखार येतात, कितलेशे मेकअप मॅन मुखार येतात, कितलेशे बाकी इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंटाचे सावंड लायट्स एक खुबशी आसा पळय लिंक आसा ते हांकां जनरेट जाता आनी हांगाच्यान एक खुबश्या लोकांक वेव्हार मेळटा. म्हणजे फॅशन इंडस्ट्रीक एक बऱ्यापैकी इन्कम दिवपाची इंडस्ट्री आसा ती प्रॉपरली आमी समज गव्हर्मेंटान आमचा प्रमोट केली जाल्यार बऱ्यापैकी मुखार एक कण जावपाक शकता इन्कमाचो.
We have a collection. We have a multi-branded, multi-category store which caters to several generations, from kids to menswear. We have everything. In women's wear, we have western wear, ethnic wear. We have the most latest fashion and comfortable fabrics suitable for the woven weather.
As Jana and William said, Asia Fashion Award is an platform for upcoming models, for upcoming designers. It has always been promoted. IFW has always been promoted such events for models and for upcoming designers. So I'm looking forward for a successful event like last year. You had a good response, and this year we're hoping to be one of the best event.
It's a curtain raiser for Asia Fashion Awards. Okay. So we are having the award ceremony on 12th of this month. It will be held at Doubletree by Hilton.
This is a curtain raiser here?
It's a curtain raiser. It's an opening of the event.
Okay.